Hello, Namaste, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Akash. I am family physician and public health specialist. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share my experience preparation strategy for MRCGP AKT Part 1 exam. I will discuss the exam format, preparation timeline, tips and tricks to pass the exam that helped me in my journey. If you are planning to appear in Part 1 AKT exam, this video is for you. Let's start. It has two parts. First one is single base question, that is BCQ part, and other one is OSQ, that is benefits of doing it. AMC is exempted. You can apply for Australia after clearing both parts and OAT exam. In Gulf countries, you are recognized as a specialist after having MRCGP post 3-year experience. My suggestion is to you that do MCPS family medicine if you are in Pakistan. Its cost is less than it having grip on the exam, because this international exam is costly and the course is same for MCPS family medicine and MRCGP international. I did the same pathway and I cleared my MCPS family medicine both parts and MRCGP AKT part 1 after having a gap of 10 years. And benefit of this, that I also cleared my DOH hard exam with doing MRCGP exam. That helped me in my exam. I did my PassMedicine. I will go in the details next in this video. You can see the video in above link section, that is for MCPS family medicine. You can also watch this now. So let's start. We are on the Google. Here we type MRCGP International. Now MRCGP International South Asia. This is the website for MRCGP AKT exam. This is the official website. We can see this. First we go on the exam calendar. Let me show you the exam for part 1 AKT. Next will be on 10th November 2026 and registration date will be 7 July 2026 and 430 pound for other venues and 530 pound for Saudi Arabia. Exam is conducted on different venues like Chennai, Colombo, Dhaka, Jeddah, Karachi, New Delhi, Lahore, Yangon and Kathmandu. Whatever the choice, you can go for that, and we can download this calendar. You can see this icon for download. Now go to the back. We go on registration section. Here you can see registration that will appear on the day of that I mentioned, 7 July. Now getting a seat is a big challenge. The slots will be filled in almost less than 5 minutes, even less. This is the rules and regulation. You can see. Before applying that, we can read the rules and regulation. That is must, either you are eligible or not. These are the rules, and you can also download this file. Now let's read the rules and regulation. This is the file for rule and regulation. I have already told you. This is the official persons for MRCGP. They can contact you by this or these emails. Okay, this is the official website. Already I told you there are two parts for MRCGP AKT. First one is BCQs and second one is OSCE. Our main focus is on the part 1. So applying to sit in the exam. Now see, we are eligible or not. There are two main pathways. One is training pathway, other is non-training pathway. House job or internship for 1 year is must. I'm not going in the detail of training pathway. There is 2 year structured training. One of the institute I know, the Indus Hospital in Karachi. My main focus is on the non-training pathway. That is 5 year clinical experience required to sit in the exam. Post house job experience is counted. Remember, house job is mandatory. Now scroll down on the next slide. Examination structure. First part will be written, that is single base question. It is conducted twice in a year, May and November. It is computer based and paper based exam. I prefer you to choose computer based due to limited seat availability. If you couldn't get the computer based, then you can choose for paper based also. 200 questions will be there. I already told you, 3.5 hours. Total 225 minutes exact time will be given. No extra time will be given to you. So in between no gap is there. Last time in 2025 I couldn't got the seat, but in November 2025 I got the seat and I am cleared my exam in first attempt. My suggestion is to you that choose the computer based exam because the benefit of computer based exam is that the picture like in Derma or X-rays will be clear, but in paper based that will be not clear. One of the our colleagues also told us. Second part is OSCE. You will be eligible after passing part 1 exam that contain 14 stations each of 10 minutes. Now how to apply? What are the basic documents required? These are the basic document required, and now registration is online. In our time we sent our document by courier. Now registration is online totally. These are the basic documents you have to collect and compile these documents like MBBS degree, your house job certificate, medical license, for example PMDC, your experience certificate, one digital photograph, your bio pages like valid passport or CNIC, your e-signature. Remember, your file must be 5 MBs for PDF and 3 MBs for JPG and JPEG file. Your data must be filled through laptop, and extra care to type the email, because your email if not correct, how can they contact with you? And in the end, don't review the form, directly submit the form. If anything is incorrect, they can send you email, but remember, email is necessary to be written correct. Remember one thing, if seats are filled, your form could not be submitted because it's first serve first come service. Due to high demand, having good typing skills is necessary to fill the form. Write your data on one page like PMDC, your passport number, CNIC number on one page so it can be entered correctly in the online form. After a month or so, you can get the email that pay the fees. Remember, you will get the email from official's account that I already told you. This is the fee deduction criteria. If your plan is changed, you can read that. Punctuality, remember, punctuality is important. You have to reach at time and before time. Security, no mobile phone, books or anything is allowed to sit in the exam. Remember to bring your passport or CNIC driving license. Your face identification will be done before the exam. After passing part 1, you are given 3 chances to pass the OSCE. Otherwise, you have to give again the part 1. Remember, now this is the most important slide. preparing for the examination, Oxford Handbook, NICE guideline and WHO guideline, and one is Pass Medicine. We will discuss later on this. Scoring 1 mark for each, no negative marking in the exam. Now come to the Pass Medicine. In Google, type Pass Medicine AKT. You can see the Pass Medicine. Here you can log in from your email and password if you have already an account. If you didn't have any account, then sign up. Subscription for 4 months is £35 and for 6 months £45. That is around Pakistani rupees 13,000 for 4 months. For the first time you are taking subscription, type email and password so you can create your own account. 4 month subscription is more than enough, but read at least 3 times. I will give description in the link below for Passmedicine AKT. Like same is for 6 month subscription. You can subscribe from here, read terms and condition and agree the boxes. So pay now. Here you can see the 17,000 something for £45. You can pay by debit card or any credit card. If you have any international card, so tax will be less. Payment will be less than 17,000 for international card. You can also download Passmedicine app. You can use it in offline version also. This is the procedure to download and instruction for downloading Passmedicine application. You can also take the demo for Passmedicine. Like here we can see MRCGP AKD applied knowledge test. You have to take this subscription. Take a demo. We click on this and now we can see this window. This is the question bank mock test. You can set the date for exam and you can review the question. You can see the performance of yours. Now we can see the question banks around 4,788 questions, and questions are keep updating, means new questions are added because this is online subscription. This is the benefit of this. You can skip these two sections, evidence based and primary care organization. These are not necessary. Around 500 questions from 4,788 question will be skipped. Means 4,200 questions you have to solve, and at least 3 reads are must. Now we can select the one section like I did, like how to solve the question. Like I read this question, I selected one option and submitted the answer. So this is the correct answer. You can see the percentage, how much candidate have corrected it, and you can read the description of this question. And like this is question on amidron. You can see the amidron. You can also highlight these so it can help you in the next reading. Like I did the same, it can help me in second or third read. Always highlight the main points so it's a time saving for second and third read. Like I marked main points. You will come on the next question and so on. You can see the percentage also here. Now end and review. So it's all about Passmedicine AKT. Some of the colleagues also used MRCGP exam preparation website. This is another website for solving the question. You can see the Google. This is MRCGP exam preparation website. You can take subscription like £35. You can take the sample question and testimonial from here. Like I did the sample question Like this is a question for IBS. I selected antibody testing for celiac disease. Like we can see the explanation, like in same in the past medicine, you can also take subscription for this, but I preferred to choose MRCGP AKT because most of the students are taking that one. You can see this some of the material I will give in the description. You can download it from Google Drive. This is the Oxford Handbook for GP. You can also use this book for reference purpose. This is the Oxford book and GP index. You can see this is the Imran file. You can also use this as a material. This is another Imran file. This is updated one. Same as previous one, but chapter wise questions. You can see the index also. Some of the Derma pics also I will share in the description. You can see these are the most important Derma pics. You can see this. This is the file, and this is a key concept for MRCGP. This is a most important file I did before exam, and it helped me a lot. You can review this file. This is a 45 page. You can do it. Thank you. It's all about MRCGP part 1. Do like, follow and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.